So here's a practice graphing activity. You'll see it online. What you want to do is take a moment to read through what's being asked here. We're talking about orange juice here. And for each of these graphs, all you want to do is shift one of the curves based upon what's being asked for in the number for graph. And then explain a cause. What could make that shift of the curve happen? What would be the cause? What would make that happen? The result for the graphs are always what happens to new price and quantity. Has the price and quantity increased or decreased? And of course, you want to say those separately for each one of these. So again, take some time, go through, think what could be a cause for each of these changes. Make sure you draw it on here and let the graph answer the result. So if you haven't done this yet, pause the video here and give it a try. So now we'll go over the results. The results I have may not be the exact ones you have. If you have something different, it's good to bring it up to be sure it's correct. But the ones I have are generally ones that people find that they can relate to and understand. But again, if you have something different, see me about that. So let's take a look. Notice for the increase in demand and the decrease in demand, increase is always to the right, decrease is always to the left. Cause for more demand for orange juice could be good news about the product. Maybe it helps, research shows it helps reduce colds or something like that. There's an increase in income, which is a general cause for increase in demand for most products. In this case, maybe it's become warmer outside, and so more people want orange juice as a cold drink. As the graph shows, from the first equilibrium to the second, the price is higher and the quantity is higher. Now, I used $2 and 100 as a basis to start from with the original equilibrium. You could have had a different price and different quantity, but it's always good to have some base numbers to work from. Take a look at number 2. Notice the causes can be the opposite of the increase in demand. And the graph shows there's a lower price and lower quantity. Also notice that a change in price cannot be a cause for a shifting of the curve. Because price is already on the vertical axis, it cannot be a reason for the shifting of the curve. A price change is only a movement along the curve, not causes any shifting of the curve. Take a look at the results for supply. Notice again that price does not cause a shift of either of the curves. It doesn't do it for supply either. And let the graph answer what happens to price and quantity. Also look at the graphs. It can be misleading in that it looks like supply went down visually for number 3, and for number 4 it looks like supply went up visually. But remember, they shift left and right. So this leftward shift of the supply 2 is a decrease, and for number 3 that is an increase. So hopefully this exercise helped clarify some things you had with the graphing. But again, see me if you have any more questions about this.